Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Taking a look at the new notebook from the REM. It is a lightweight laptop that aims to be a portable PC which does not compromise on performance. It sports a 14-inch display that features 2K resolution, 2160 by 1440p, with a 3:2 aspect ratio and 100% sRGB color gamut for professionals. Display offers 400 nits of maximum brightness and a 90% screen-to-body ratio, which is higher than an Apple MacBook Air. Laptop offers a Nano Edge display, with minimal bezels measuring just 5.3mm. Arriving at the design of the laptop, the Chinese smartphone maker offers the notebook with a full metallic body with the rear sporting a Mirror brand logo and the front sporting a backlit keyboard as well. Top bezel houses the built-in HD camera for video calls, while the power button doubles as a fingerprint scanner. RealmeBook Slim weighs just 1.38 kilograms and measures a slim 14.9 millimeters and will be available in two color models, Real Blue and Real Gray. The new laptop houses 11th General Intel Core processors, namely either an i3 or i5. Processor will be paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 512GB of SSD storage. For graphics, the notebook sports Intel's Iris graphics. The laptop will run Windows 10 out of the box but will support Windows 11 update in the future. For ports, the company offers a USB A 3.2 and 3.5mm headphones jack, Thunderbolt 4, and even USB-C 3.2 port as well. RealmeBook Slim is powered by a 54Wh battery that supports 65 watts super fast charge, and also supports 30 watts fast charging as well. Just 30 minutes of charging can bring the battery up to 50%. Company promises battery life of up to 11 hours. Since it is a thin and light notebook, cooling is also an important factor to consider, and the brand offers a dual fan cooling system to ensure good thermals even during heavy workloads. For audio, the laptop houses stereo sound by DTS and powerful bass sound from Harman Kardon. Notably, it also offers dual mic noise cancellation as well. Other features include Wi-Fi 6 and PC Connect, which offers REM smartphone users a seamless method of connecting their handsets to the laptop. This allows the user to bring their device and laptop into one screen, which also supports simple drag and drop function for file transfer while also supporting certain Android apps. RealmeBook Slim will be available in India in two variants. This includes an Intel i3 and i5 version along with two color options as well. Laptops will be available for purchase starting from 30th of August 2021. And the company has also announced special introductory prices for both variants. This has the i3 version be priced at $605 while the i5 version will go for $767.